welcome to the Night Sky Guide podcast for March 2010, with me, Dwayne Alexander. The constellation Orion is slowly leaving our skies now, a sign that winter is on its way out, the days are growing longer, and spring is upon us. Mars last month was superbly placed for viewing in the night sky, and will remain so for much of March 2010. Through a telescope, Martian detail may be visible, including the white-looking North Polar Ice Cap, which is currently shrinking in size. Also, some desert features may also be visible. Mars is still moving retrograde, but on the 11th of March, it will appear to stop near the border of the constellation of Gemini, the Twins. After this, Mars will continue to head back eastwards across the sky. Towards the end of the month, Mars will be showing at magnitude plus 0.1, and be setting by 4 AM BST. Another planet is well placed for viewing this month is that famous ring planet Saturn. Saturn will be in the western Virgo. With the naked eye, not much detail can be seen apart from its location in the sky, its brightness of plus 0.6, but shining a telescope or binoculars onto Saturn, and Saturn's rings will appear in view of the planet. The rings will appear narrowly opened, meaning that just visible is the gap between the planet and the rings itself. The Cassini division, the dark gap in the rings, may also be visible. Observers will notice with an outstretched hand that the star in Virgo called Spica, showing at magnitude plus 1.0, is about a hand width away from Saturn. Spica lies to the left of the ringed planet. Saturn's moons will also be visible as normal, with Titan being the biggest and easiest to see with a telescope or binoculars on a tripod. Towards the end of March, Mercury will be an evening object in the western skies after sunset. Mercury will also pass close to Venus in the same area of the sky. For the more keen observers who enjoy a challenge with telescopes, Uranus is 1 degree west of Venus on the 4th of March, and will be showing at magnitude plus 5.9. However, due to the lightness in the sky, it will be incredibly difficult to see. Venus through a telescope will, just like our Moon often does, be in a gibbous phase. The odd atmospheric detail may also be just about visible. Jupiter will be in the morning skies this month, but due to it being so close to the Sun, as seen from our skies, it will be incredibly difficult to view. Phases for the Moon are as follows. All times are GMT. Remember to add 1 hour for BST after the 28th of March. Last half, 7th of March at 3:42 PM, rises at 1:57 AM and sets at 9:21 AM. New Moon is on the 15th of March at 9:01 PM, rises at 5:41 AM and sets at 6:05 PM. First half is on the 23rd of March at 11 AM. It rises at 9:44 AM and sets at 2:12 AM. Full Moon is on the 30th of March at 2:25 AM, rises at 7:38 PM and sets at 5:17 AM. Some of you may also be aware of some comets in our skies, two of which are Comets 81P Wild and Comet 2007 Q3 Sliding Spring. These comets are not immediately visible with the naked eye due to their lack of brightness. Comet 81P Wild has been imaged up close and sampled by NASA's Stardust probe back in 2004. Taking 6 years to orbit the Sun, this comet is back again for 2010. The comet is estimated to be at magnitude plus 9.0, which would be bright enough to be picked out with binoculars in the early morning skies. The comet lurks in eastern Virgo, so you have to look around these stars carefully with binoculars to spot the fuzzy-looking object among the fainter stars. Best time to view will be during the middle 2 weeks, as the Moon will not be in the skies, causing glare. However, don't get confused by the globular cluster NGC 5634 at magnitude plus 9.5 for the comet. Comet 2007 Q3 Sliding Spring will be in the faintish constellation of Draco the Dragon during March. The comet is slowly turning fainter, and at the time of writing is at magnitude plus 9.0. Telescopes and large binoculars will show the comet. Astrophotographers imaging the comet through a telescope may also be able to pick up some of the fainter detail and structure in the chroma and tau in their images. Well, that ends our tour of the night sky for March 2010. Don't forget to check www.djmysterious.5u.com/astronomy.html for a sky map of the March night sky. Also, these podcasts are now available as podcasts on YouTube. Search for DJ Mysterious 83 on YouTube. Until next time, thanks for listening, happy hunting and clear skies.